Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to write fractions as mixed fractions or mixed numbers. I have taken this question from class 6 math book page 162 question 3 which says write the following fractions as mixed numbers. So let us see what are all the steps which are involved in writing fractions as mixed number. So here we'll use this table to write the fractions as mixed numbers. So here in the first column we are going to write fractions which are improper fractions. Here we are going to do the division, which is the division step, and in the third column we are going to write mixed fraction. So let us start with the first one. The first one is 9/2. So the division step which is used to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction is dividing 9 by 2. So 2 times 4 is 8. Subtract the two numbers, we have the remainder as 1. So for writing the mixed fraction, and this quotient will come as a whole number. This remainder will be in the numerator and divisor will be the denominator, which is 2. So this will be a mixed fraction for 9/2. So our mixed fraction is 4 1/2. This is for A part. Let's do the B one. Part is 9/5. B part is 9/5. So to convert this into mixed fraction, we'll find the remainder and we'll divide the two numbers. So 9 divided by 5, 5 times 1 is 5. 4 is the remainder here. Fraction will be, quotient will come as a whole number, which is 1. 4 is the remainder and 5 is the denominator. So 1 whole 4/5. 4/5 is the mixed fraction. Let's do the next one, which is part C, which is 21/19. Let's divide 21 by 19. 19 times 1 is 19. 2 is remainder. So a fraction will be 1 2/19. 1 whole 2/19 will be the answer for this fraction. Let's do the next part, which is D part. So to convert improper fractions to mixed fractions, we just need to divide the two numbers and find the quotient and remainder. So let us now divide 47 by 9. So 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 5 is 45. Subtract the two numbers. 7 minus 5 is 2. So we have got 2 as remainder. So our mixed fraction will be, quotient is 5, which is the whole part, 2/9. This is our mixed number. Next one is 12 divided by 11. Let's divide 12 by 11. 11 times 1 is 11. Remainder is 1. So our mixed fraction is 1 whole 1/11. Let's do the last part, which is 19 by 6. So dividing 19 by 6. 6 times 3 is 18. Subtract the two numbers, our remainder is 1. So our fraction or mixed number will be quotient, which is 3 1/6. 3 1/6. That's our mixed number. So this is how you convert improper fractions to mixed fractions. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.